You like that, don't you? boy. This your boy B with the beard, and the truth lives here. On this episode, I want to give you guys an update on the beard hydration challenge. Today is day 7. Day 7, and we've been drinking gallon after gallon after gallon and more gallons. We've been going hard, fellas, and we've been serious about our beard. I'm proud of you. I want to say thank you for supporting. Thank you for supporting yourself, because once you support yourself, you support your family, your community, and we are a community which inspires me, and then I'm able to inspire, you know, that guy right there. This guy right here. Yeah, him. So that's what I want to say. You guys are making a huge impact. My beard has come back. I had a period of time where my beard was going through a transformation with changing in. You gotta stop that, cause I gotta. What? You wanna get? I know. Oh, what out, boy? You get the karate chop, my friend. That kid. With me moving to a different city, it is a different. The weather was different, so I had an adjustment to go through, and one of the main things that I believe that has helped is the fact that I've been doing this beard hydration challenge. And don't get me wrong, you know, it's been a challenge. Truly has been a challenge. Things happen, you get busy, everyone wants your time. Sometimes you go through the whole day and you forget, like, wow, I forgot to drink, you know, my water. I forgot to, you know, if you're having to leave and you're in the car and you're running errands. Sometimes it is a challenge because you can get caught up in the moment. So be cognizant of that. I have to be cognizant of that. But that's just a journey. We learn, readjust, and we get better. And that's what it's about. So I just want to give you guys a friendly update on the fact that it's been a successful 7-day challenge. Make sure as much as you are consuming water, make sure you are taking your multivitamin supplements, and even before all that, make sure that you are eating a higher quality of food. Put that back into your body, because as much as you're drinking a gallon, you are flushing the toxins, and you also will be flushing the minerals and vitamins out. So you have to replenish your body as needed. And I'm with you, fellas. Beard hydration challenge. This your boy B with the beard. Go and watch the videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And one more thing. Go ahead and press that those thumbs up for the likes. Please. I do appreciate you. This your boy B with the beard. As always, you already know, I'm out.